Guys, how are you doing? What's up? So let's start with the analysis of Euro USD. So yesterday we captured a good trade that was this move we captured yesterday in the yesterday's live stream. Let's see what we can expect from the market today. So right now I feel like we didn't have taken the liquidity of the two sides, Asian high and Asia low. So we are still having the liquidity that is right over here. So we have, if you see, we have the equal highs right over here, and we have equal relative equal lows, some kind of right over here, right? So let's see the highs and lows of the Asian range. We had a small, like a turtle soup right over here, but again, let's see. My kind of bias would be bearish for today. uh just we need a flip on the daily and the 4 hour candle if we can get the flip, so then it's expected that the market can go more up. Yesterday's 4 hour FVG is also being filled. If you can see that we had the fair value cup right over here and it's completely filled. So right now I'm looking that if we can get the uh breakout from this area right over here, this area, and can get some kind of market structure to this side. So might be able be looking like for cells in the kill zone on the 5 minutes. So then we can make an entry because right now we are in a consolidation range. Hi ma'am, I had a question in euro कि कितना lots का order लगा सकते हैं, I mean the quantity. It depends upon कि आप कौन सा परफ्यूम यूज कर रहे हो. I think in blueberry you can't open more than somewhere around like one lot, 1.25 lot, something like that. In I think in 10K account, something like that. But usually you should like take the 1% of risk. Like if you are having like 5K funded account, then it means that you're gonna open 0.25. If you are having for example, you are having 25K account, then I think you should open 0.25 lot size. So, and in 10K, almost you can open 0.50 lot size. Okay, I used to open 0.05. Okay. That's very less actually. I mean, it depends upon which on what kind of account you're opening. But you can use like while you were just watching the lots, I just mark your TP to SL. Like for example, if you're having a 5K account, then you are aiming for the $50 target. So just put your TP to $50 straight and put your SL to like $25, something like that, because that's gonna be 1:2 then. And yeah, that's gonna be 1:2 then. I was not aware of the lot size. Yeah, some I think blueberry also they have some kind of restriction. They like do not allow to open more than that. So just make sure the limit of how much it is allowed in a particular platform. Boring market, no moves. Exactly, right now it's just consolidating a lot. So either if we get above this range and can get some kind of market structure, then we're gonna go for the buys. And if we can get some kind of market structure below this range, the bearish side, we're gonna go for the sells. we're gonna take the entry on our fair value gap. As a gold trader, हम उसको भी 0.05 से ओपन करते थे ट्रेड. Okay. No, you just you should be aware of the actually lot size. It's very important. Even if you're not, if you're confused between lot size, you just mark your TP and SL like in the price form or like in the pip form also. Like you can do that. You can just add like dollar, how much dollar you want the TP and how much dollar you want the SL. So it's very easy if you're confused with the lot size. Still, it's one and we are not getting any kind of move right now. Since yesterday, euro is so slow. I was telling you that we got one impulsive move in the morning, like the one we captured. That's all. That's why I say that the every average movement of euro USD is just 20 pips to 30 pips. That's all. It doesn't move after that. So it will consolidate a lot and then it's gonna go and give the move. Let's see. We have a small, like a very small sweep of the Isha highs right over here. If you can see. EU, I lose that $10 gain, not more than that. EU, we can't find any kind of setup right now, but let's see if we can get or we break above the range some kind of. Then let's see. Four hour is trying to flip out to the upside. What I can see is I was talking about yesterday's flipped wallet trade, which I closed at $10 BE. Okay, so I thought you got the SL. You were saying that you hit your SL and EU, no? आज न्यूज 7 बजे है उसके वजह से भी मार्केट इज स्लीपिंग हाँ एग्जैक्टली यही होता है व्हेन वी आर हैविंग द न्यूज इन एनवाई द मार्केट स्लीप्स इट्स थर्सडे राइट हमारी न्यूज है एट 7 PM अनएम्प्लॉयमेंट क्लेम्स the one is also trying to flip unemployment claims yeah it's the same पहले वाला एसएल बाद में एक और बार लिया था एफबीजी पूरा फिल करने के बाद फ्लिप पे जिसमें $10 ही बुक किया मैंने Not more than that, as it was ranging from $10 to $30 came so close because I got bored by it. Yeah, okay, okay, okay. You took back to that. Euro will make you go like after giving certain kind of impulsive move, don't expect euro to be moving. It will be range bound then. I have a feeling, I don't know, we have a small, like, it's trying to form this kind of imbalance right over here. If we're successful in the daily flip, then for sure we can get some move more to the downside. But if it filled this imbalance, this one, then might be an upside movement. If news is negative, which side euro will move, and if the news is positive, where will it move? Actually, I don't trade news, so I never look at the data, what is happening, positive or negative. I just my trade let it run. I don't think so. It usually affects so much. There are two things that gonna happen. That would be TP or stop loss. News is kind of unpredictable, so it's like kind of probabilities in news. So you can never know. But yeah, if I'm in the trade already and the news comes, so I hold my trade. I don't exit the trade. So either we take the full TP or full SL. Pro traders and thank you, thank you, thank you. We are chill with the market. But now seriously, Euro is making me also bored. How bad is this consolidation range? कल स्नेहा का कॉन्ट्रैक्ट डन हो गया. Yeah, she passed the funded account, right? Crypto one. रसगुल्ले नहीं भेजी वो. I will tell her to send rasgullas to everybody. I will let her know. What's up with gold? I don't look gold, but let's see what's happening. It's still moving, not like that. Having the bearish momentum right now. Daily already took the liquidity, took the lows of the previous daily candle. See, looking at these kind of wiki candles just scares me out. That's the most bad part. अच्छा है. Hello, hi, Vansh. Um, don't see any setups today. Yeah, because I think we have a news, so might not be seeing any setups possibly, but we are looking forward to it if we can get any kind of setup. But usually our news has so before news it's like that only, like it just consolidates a lot. Yesterday also it happens like that. It just consolidated the whole range yesterday. See, it was such a range bound market yesterday. Only this move that we captured, and after that, see, gold is golding, making khichdi. Is GBP USD is also doing the same? Let me see. GBP USD is still decent. It's just still moving. GBP USD took the liquidity of the Asian lows right now. So, now it depends upon the closure of the 1 hour candle. If it closes below the range, Asian range, then again we might continue to the downside. If it closes below, like above the range, then it means that it was a liquidity sweep. Then we can see a market structure to the bullish side and might enter on the prevailing gap that is bullish. And on the 4 hour as well, there was a prevailing gap right over here, and also it completed this prevailing gap already. So might be a movement more down. I'm bearish on both the pairs, but let's see. Trading only A plus setup this year ain't forcing any trades. Exactly, you should not force any kind of trades. And to pass the funded account, it's best to just take the A plus setups. Why to force any kind of setups? It's always best to not take any kind of trade if you're not getting any kind of opportunity and not force it. Why to trade every day? So just take the trade when you're getting it, when you see your setup. Closing trading view and all the platforms and आराम से tennis देख रहा हूँ मैं. Okay, so you're watching tennis beside my stream. Cool, right? Tennis and trading. जा रहे हैं हम सोने उठेंगे शाम को. Crypto is moving great as analyzed. Crypto. Crypto which pair? BTC. 1 मॉनिटर में टेनिस, 1 मॉनिटर में आपका स्क्रीन. नाइस यार. The advantages of having two screens. So which one is on mute? You tell me. Is tennis on mute or my stream is on mute? Oh, BTC. I used to trade a long ago BTC. Ooh, we have a smooth movement in Bitcoin right now. Nice. Wow, actually, it's having such a great moves, to be honest. Now this fascinates me. The movement but like see on the 4 hour time frame. Such big liquidities we are having. 1 hour time frame. We have closed below the this. If you remember, I have total 4 monitors in which two were given by my office and rest two are mine. Okay, okay, okay. So you're having 4 monitors. No, I didn't remember that actually. I thought you only have 2 monitors. But that's so crazy. 4 monitors. But life becomes so easy with like having the multiple monitors at the same time. हाँ, 3 स्क्रीन में देख रहे. एक is your stream, two तारक मेहता, three trading you. Nitin, do you watch Tarak Mehta on the third screen? That's really interesting that you're watching like TV shows in the morning. I want the ways to make my stream more interesting. I will be searching today what are the ways that I can make my stream more interesting. I believe if I do my live stream in the like New York session, there would be like people would be more active, I guess. No in Sony application. Crazy. I don't know, this week feels so long, and I'm just again waiting for the Saturday to come. This week seems like it's not ending only. That will be better. सब निकल रहे हैं अभी मार्केट से, सब चिल करेंगे. या अभी न्यूज़ है ना, तो हमेशा इट्स लाइक दैट ओनली कि एवरी डे जब भी न्यूज़ आएगी एनवाई सेशन में, वी सी सुपर डुपर कंसोलिडेशन इन दिस जोन, लाइक इन द London zone. But at least we get the entry. But today we are not able to even get the entry. 3:30 is the last kill zone time. So till 3:30 we're gonna wait. That if we get any kind of entry, then I'll just update you. But after 3:30 we don't look for anything in the Euro USD. Tabhi I don't prefer trading Euro USD in the New York session because it happens usually कि it makes the highs and lows of the whole day in this kind of session. So उसके बाद expectation from the Euro USD is very low from my side, like आज कोई नहीं चल रहा है तो क्रिप्टो भाग रहा है. Crypto is always running, I suppose, I think, if I'm not wrong. Crypto is like crazy pair. See, JPUSD is making the market structure to the downside. It's moving better than Euro at least. But again, we didn't got any kind of fair value gap. Let's see. I think I should start trading Nasdaq in the New York session too, but it will be a lot for me to stream. Somebody was asking my strategy. I don't know if the person is there on the live right now or not, but maybe by today, I think probably today I'm gonna post a video of Euro USD on YouTube. So you guys can check that out. I'm gonna add JP to my watch list actually. I want this daily to be flipped. If we can flip this daily candle, then it will be highly probable that we can go further more down. Just waiting for that. With creating this small imbalance on the daily time frame, and we can get the flip, that will be wonderful. Let's see, 1 hour is already flipping down. Ooh, GP is dumping. If you guys have any question, doubt, you can freely ask on my live stream. And I mean, it's a great opportunity for you guys to ask anything. And also on Discord channel, just keep sharing your ideas. And if you want to ask something, you can freely ask on that too. How is life treating? Life is treating me actually good. I mean, right now it's good. It's decent. टीएफएल की खुफिया राज हमें बताएं. अरे, that's secret, right? I'm not allowed to disclose that. So you tell me, how did you know? How did you came to know about TFL? हम आके पता करेंगे. Come, I'm telling you, you come on in the season 4. Just book your ticket. You just book your tickets to season 4. I came to know from Rajvi movie Insta. Say, oh, okay, okay, okay. She is famous. Then how did you like feel about like knowing that there is a community for the traders and everything? Hello, good morning, Sanya. Hi, good morning. 2-3 सेटअप मैच हुआ था उनका, मेरा, और उस टाइम आप लोग का शिमला या कोई बर्फ वाला जगह से रिटर्न हुआ था. हाँ, like the last time it was they were like the season 2 was in Shimla, so might be that one. मस्त लगा कि अरे इतने सारे ट्रेडर एक साथ. मस्त यार discussions. Yeah, this is what fascinates, like, fun and discussions at the same time. So that's a cool part. And you never know, what you can get out of the networking events and etc. See Bitcoin if you're comfortable. Bitcoin, BTC. I don't trade BTC, but I'm gonna look that. So this is what's happening in Bitcoin. Okay, so if you see Bitcoin, as of what I can see is जो हमारा वीकली में था यहाँ पे हमारा फेयर वाले का था. And Bitcoin took the liquidity of this 8th of December. 8th of December's liquidity, and it flipped all the way down. So it's flipping all the way down, so might be that we can see some kind of more movement to the downside. And let's check the daily time frame. डेली टाइम फ्रेम पे हमारी जो लिक्विडिटी है राइट नाउ. So if the Bitcoin manages to close below this one gap, then also we might see more further move down. And अभी हमारा 1 hour पे भी trend down ही है until we don't see, like until the trend is intact we don't have to worry about anything. So अभी तो हमारा trend is towards the bearish side. It also took the lows of the Asian range, and if you see अगर आप 1 hour पे देखोगे ना, तो 1 hour पे if you see that the range, this was the Asian range है ना, यहाँ पे हमारी Asian range थी, तो Asian lows को it already grabbed plus closed below the range. So when the price closes below the range, तो that means कि हमारी वो liquidity sweep नहीं थी. I consider it as a continuation. एंड यहाँ पर प्लस लिक्विडिटी स्वीप के साथ, लिक्विडिटी स्वीप मीन्स लिक्विडिटी ग्रैब नहीं की इसने, क्लोजिंग दी नीचे ऑफ द जोन, एशिया लो जोन, एंड प्लस देयर वाज आल्सो फेयर वाली का ब्रेड ओवर हियर. तो अब अगर ये सस्टेन करता है हमारा गैप, ऑलरेडी टैप्ड इन हो चुका है, तो यहाँ से ही हमारा बेरिश मूवमेंट आ सकता है. If it manages to close below this range again, then we can see more further move down. But yeah, so अगर शॉर्ट था तो यहाँ पर इट वाज अ गुड अपॉर्चुनिटी टू शॉर्ट डाउन. पहले तो आई यूज्ड टू थिंक पहले तो आई यूज्ड टू थिंक ऑल दी स्कैम्स, बट देखिए इतना सारा चीज तो जरूर चली गई. Yeah, I mean it's obvious to think like these kind of things scam, like because हमारी इंडस्ट्री ऐसी है कि it's very hard to believe. But again, when you meet in person people like them, so it's another kind of feeling. बिकॉज एज अ ट्रेडर एक ही चीज की कमी है हमें. हमारे जैसे लोग हमें कहाँ मिलेंगे. इट्स वेरी डिफिकल्ट टू फाइंड द पीपल लाइक यू विद द सेम माइंडसेट जो एक ही रूट पे हैं और ऑलरेडी सक्सेसफुल भी हैं. तो इट्स वेरी वेरी हार्ड टू मीट दैट काइंड ऑफ पीपल and actually talk to them. So that is what we are lacking, I think, in this industry. So that gap, we're just covering it out. Still, it's consolidating only. I don't think so. We will be able to get any kind of entry right now. Alright, so should we end the stream or you guys want to ask anything? मिलेगा नहीं कुछ मार्केट में आज भी शाम तक सो जाओ सब हाँ यार यही लगता है अब इट सीम्स लाइक दैट ओनली कितना कंसोलिडेट हो गया यार and I'm too sleepy now. Ah, but you kept my stream on the mute, right? Cricket fans Australia BBL देखो टेनिस fans ATP ब्रिस्बेन और चाइना देखो okay I really doesn't know like I don't know anything about cricket tennis like teams and all I've never watched. What do you suggesting to the people, Nitin? Like, what are you suggesting that people should mute my stream and they watch cricket and tennis? That's unfair. आज पेज दिख रहा है डॉन का हाँ एक्चुअली आपने ठीक कर दिया था ना कल now I am saving them not to take pick our trades. That's also true. But at least let them watch my stream now. But yeah, true. Today the market is very bad. GBP USD is better, I swear. Now I might be backtesting GBP USD. बोरिंग हो गया है पता बोरिंग हो गया है पता बात भी कुछ याद नहीं आ रही क्या बात करूं यार you guys need to suggest me how should I make my stream more interesting. I think we should play some kind of game at the end of the stream. आपके स्ट्रीम के बाद जिनको जो देखना है वो देखने के लिए बोल रहा हूँ वो क्या पता अभी स्ट्रीम छोड़कर चले जाए और वो मैच देखने चले जाए सो इट विल बी अनफेयर ना क्रिश का गाना कौन सा गाना क्रिश का? See, it's dumping now. Perfect. Oh my god, what a fall. If I get some kind of fair value gap right over here, I'm gonna enter it, put my stop loss to the swing high and the TP 20 pips down and place it. Hmm. Alright, guys, so I think we should end the stream because अगर कोई एंट्री मिलती है तो I'm gonna update on the Discord. I'll send on the Discord. You guys can see that and just put on the notification so you can get the notification of my trades and everything and when I'm coming live. So this is it. That's all for today, guys. If you have any question, you can just ask me in the Discord, and we'll see you tomorrow. Okay. Thank you. Bye bye. Take care, guys.